guys, welcome to Lani Unicorn, and I'm so excited. It's 2018 now, and I'm just gonna wish you all a happy new year. And this video, I'm going to review all my slimes and putties. I actually only have about 5, I'm guessing, and so please don't hate. I will do more when I get more slime. So yeah. First of all, I got this in a mesh ball. Follow me on YouTube to see me cutting it open on @the_puppy_lover. And there's no sapphire. It makes really loud noise. So, okay. Wait. It gets on your fingers a lot. But it's pretty cool. I just won't smell it. It looks like it's a smell. Wait. Oh, that's slime. And next, I will show you my Putty Peeps putty. I was actually doing a video on iMovie, but I didn't post it yet. Reviewing Putty Peeps putty. It's a really hard putty though. It's one of those ones that it's so hard, you guys. It looks like the one I told you. And there's a cute design on the front. Adorable Peeps characters. I should have started from the base. Who cares? Now PS was running in the why is a hairbrush there? I actually have 2 jiggly slimes. I got them from my dad. And that mesh ball used to have a hole in it. So I cut the rest open. I got it from my brother and his friend. So I like the jiggly slime. I'll just take the yellow out. This has more. It's stuck. When these liquid slimes, like this one. It's like a liquid slime, cool liquid slime. It's like a really liquidy now. I haven't paid that much. A green one. The green one apparently glows in the dark. This is so. Last but not least, Crazy Aaron's Pink Putty UV Light. Anyway, I lost the bag, obviously, so the UV light gets stuck in it. I'll try to show you. Sorry. That's okay. Crazy Aaron's thinking, but it makes this a little bit easier. Let's get it. Okay. So. Pretty cool. So, please like and subscribe to my channel and have a nice day. And turn on my notifications to be a unicorn. And yeah, if you want to shout out, all you gotta do is comment down below. And like this video, comment down below, #2018. And subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications and you'll be a unicorn too. So, yeah, there's basically a massive mountain of slime. If you can see here. It's like a big mountain of slime. So yeah, please like and subscribe and have a nice day. And please enter the shop. Biggie.